U.S. COVID-19 cases topped 36 million with over 618,000 deaths on Tuesday, fueled by the unchecked spread of the Delta variant. U.S. cases currently account for almost 18% of the nearly 204 million global cases, while the country's COVID-19 deaths account for roughly 14% of the more than 4.3 million virus-related fatalities worldwide, according to Johns Hopkins University's tally. U.S. National Institutes of Health Director Francis Collins said the country is failing to contain the Delta variant surge, and now we're paying the terrible price.
I think it's quite true, because when we say how a country or how a region fare in this fight against epidemic, say COVID-19 in this case, we will look at the number of people contracted the disease and the people died from the disease. Both of this number, the United States is the most number in the world. This is a tragedy, actually. In the fight of a disease or in this pandemic, we need to have a concerted effort from all sides of the country or region. That is, from the top government who set the policy and the measures, to the cooperation of the residents. And all have to be united, because this is a war against the virus.
I think it has failed or experienced major challenges for several reasons. First of all, it was political, that the former president of the US, Donald Trump, he mishandled the fight against corona so much, even in terms of wearing masks, in terms of going for checkups, in terms of accepting that you have a problem. The second thing was that the US did not have adequate facilities to begin with. And then the fact that because of racism and discrimination in the US, there was some part of the country which were neglected. And then there was a campaign of deceit from some of the people saying that this disease is brought by other countries, we should not do this. In other words, people are not adequately sensitized about the danger of a pandemic. That is why the richest country in the world failed in many tests with regard to handling corona.